Imagine you're walking alone through a thick forest in the dead of night. You can't see your own hands in front of your face. Suddenly, just a few feet away, you hear the sharp snap of a branch. You don't call out for help. You don't turn on a flashlight and wave it around. You freeze and hide, staying quiet, because you have no way to know if whatever is out there is friendly or if it's a predator. This basic survival instinct, the drive to stay hidden in the dark, scales up. It applies to individual woods, and it applies to the entire universe. This chilling logic offers a possible explanation for why we seem to be so alone in the cosmos. In 1950, physicist Enrico Fermi looked up at the night sky and asked a simple question: where is everybody? Our galaxy contains hundreds of billions of stars, and many have planets like Earth. By all accounts, the universe should be teeming with intelligent life. This chart lists decades of theories attempting to explain why we haven't found anyone. Despite searching the skies with massive radio telescopes, we have detected no transmissions and no evidence of life. We are met with a deafening cosmic silence. While the rest of the galaxy is quiet, humanity has spent the last century broadcasting our location. We are emitting a massive, growing bubble of radio waves into the starfield, announcing our presence to anyone who might be listening. We do this because we assume the universe is friendly. But if the rules of the forest apply to the stars, that silence we observe isn't because the galaxy is empty. It's because the universe is holding its breath. This perspective is known as the dark forest hypothesis, a name popularized by science fiction author Lou Sixon. It suggests that our empty skies are the result of a few non-negotiable rules. Rule 1. A civilization's primary goal is survival. Before exploring, they must ensure they don't go extinct. Rule 2. As civilizations expand, the universe's total resources stay the same. Eventually, growing societies collide, competing for limited space. This creates a situation where every player in the galaxy must make life or death decisions while having very little information about what their neighbors are planning. Because survival is the priority and resources are scarce, just knowing another civilization exists creates an immediate crisis. You have to decide how to react before they decide how to react to you. This leads to the chain of suspicion. Even if peaceful, you can't be sure your neighbor is, or that they trust you. Since interstellar messages take decades, real-time negotiation is impossible, leaving everyone locked in permanent paranoia. You might think you could safely ignore a civilization that is much less advanced than your own, one that is just beginning to use simple tools. But technology doesn't always move slowly. While a message crosses the vast galaxy, a primitive species can undergo a rapid, explosive technological revolution. By the time you notice them, they could have already surpassed you, becoming a threat you can no longer control. When you combine that rapid growth with the fact that you can never verify a neighbor's intentions, the most logical way to ensure your own survival is to strike first. If you eliminate a neighbor the moment you detect them, they can never grow to threaten you. These strikes wouldn't require a massive invasion. They could be carried out by self-replicating machines known as von Neumann probes. In this deadly probe scenario, an advanced civilization builds automated systems designed to seek out unidentified radio signals. These probes are programmed to eliminate the source of those signals without ever needing to check back in with their creators. These silent systems could scour the galaxy, quietly ending new life forms before they ever become a threat. This allows the civilization that built the probes to stay hidden while their machines clear the forest. Highly advanced intelligence doesn't look like a loud, sprawling empire. Instead, it would be indistinguishable from the natural background of the universe, a quiet, efficient process that removes competition from the shadows. If this hypothesis is correct, the Great Silence isn't proof that we are alone. It's proof of a crowded universe, where every surviving civilization has learned that the only way to stay alive is to remain invisible. We are the exception. We sit in the middle of this dark forest, shouting our name into the trees, hoping for a friendly answer. By calling out to the unknown, we have to wonder, are we inviting a friend, or are we just alerting the hunters?